Today, we talk about...
I'm back. All right, let's get it.
So, I just mentioned how Virgil had stated when he released the last versions of his 10 model as it came to a close, he had said that his ideal sneaker is a black base with a white swoosh and white laces, baby. That's why all the last pairs of the collection came with a colorway, at least in this combination. And I knew with this being the very last shooter release in the 10, how much more appropriate would it be to have that be the black pair with the white laces. So, let's get it. And the count of three. 1, 2, bop. See? So let's compare them to each other. But already I'm impressed. First of all, you get the nice boppy contrast matching of this stitching, this swoosh, this, and then the orange on the laces, which you wouldn't get with the black because it's white on black. And then let's compare them to what's left here. See, if I can give you a side-by-side look. Actually, let me just bring it over here. Maybe be easier with lighter light. Yeah, man, I really dig this look. A lot of people went for the Air Force Ones in the black, but I already knew the Volt was way more OD than the black, in my opinion. So I went for the Volt on those, and then the black with these. I think I made the right choice as far as low tops go. But yeah, I mean, no one's been showing these with the white laces, but I think the white laces are really what's the winner here. So maybe this will be the thumbnail, you know what I'm saying? Actually, maybe I'll just put them side by side so you can see the diff width. Maybe center it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, look at that, bruh. That's the way you do it. Don't. This is how we do it. Don't. All right. Got it. All right. Let's finish the job. And there you go. Got them. Let's bring them back to the lighter, gentler light. Just give me the light. Yeah. Just give me the light. Dude, this is next level, baby. We got it. I think we nailed it. Yeah, so there you go, folks. I think this is the move. This is what Chief is all about, and we're gonna leave it as is. Let me know if you have any questions, but otherwise, actually, let me give you a quick on foot. What are those? Ayo, I think we nailed it. Maybe not the ideal pants, but the eye. Stick a few steps in them. Got them. Let's flip it around and got them. Ayo. Yeah, baby. Nike Ambush. Virgil could wear some loose-fitting pants like this, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this is the move. Trust me. I think this is the right move. We've completed the set. Stay tuned for more videos on Off-White for sure. But yeah, I think we nailed it, guys. Hit me up if you need to know more. Otherwise, peace.